Hey, it's your boy KJ, and I'm back with another video, man. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back. Now, y'all know I'm an avid truck lover, right? But all my reaction videos have mostly been catered to cars. I rarely make it to a truck, even though I see thousands of trucks that I love. So, starting today, I'm making a promise to myself and to y'all. It's gonna be more trucks videos coming too. I gotta weed that in. We gotta touch everything. So today we're looking at a GMC 3500 HD DENALI Ultimate. I think it's at Apex. I'm gonna have to look back. It's a company out of Texas that builds them, right? They buy them, they build them, and they sell them. So I just want to look at it because this build is neat, man. It's nice. It caught my eye. It's a lot of black on it, but they put everything together very nicely, man. So I think y'all like it too. So after y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel, we can go and get into the video, man. Let me give y'all a couple seconds, man. 1, 2. Okay, then. Hey, go ahead and lock your wallet up because after you see this one, you're gonna want to buy it. So, man, hey, let's get started. I love that black chrome in that front grille. That black chrome is sexy, dog. I'm telling you. Somebody that done had all kind of chrome wheels throughout the year, that black chrome, that luxury look that's with it is real nice. That spinning caps on them JTX wheels is sick. Well, floating caps. Let me correct myself. Spinning caps. Come on, KJ. Let's get it right. We're going to talk about it. Let's talk about it right. Floating caps, my people. Floating caps. Let me ask y'all a question. Do y'all like the interior on the GMCs better than the Rams, the Dodge? I love the interior on the Rams, like the Limited and stuff like that, especially on the Tungsten that's coming out. But I don't think it's gonna seem like Dodge quality on the material doesn't hold up as long as GMC do. So this is sick right here. I just wish GM would go bigger on.
I'm here with a brand new 2024 GMC 3500 DENALI Ultimate on a 9-inch full throttle suspension, 37-inch by 1350 Toyo open country tires, and a 24-inch JTX forged wheel with the super spikes that everybody loves. And this truck,
yeah, them super spikes are nice. That's a nice, very nice look. I remember Rail put some of those on his Ram dually.
is menacing. And I mean menacing. As you can see here, lots of your marker lights, all your tail lights, everything's been blacked out just to match the meanness of this truck. Get on in here close and look at just how awesome this 9-inch full throttle suspension with those dual reservoir 2.0 Fox shocks. And then you see that giant 37-inch 1350 tire with that 24-inch JTX forged wheel. I love the super spikes, as most of you guys do too. And as I said, you'll start to see just the subtle the marker lights here on your fender flares. They're blacked out.
I like that detail. They blacked out those lights, that fender light. What did he call that light? Let me see what he called that.
Fender flares, they're blacked out. I love the DENALI Ultimate badge. It's already blacked out with that Darth Vader chrome. Looks awesome. And then as you come around here, a little over 55 inches of rubber in the rear of this truck, which is just insane when you see it right here in person. And that deep dish 24-inch dually JTX forged wheel looks just amazing. As I said, all those lights there as you're looking at, completely blacked out. Got custom Autoplex Customs mud flaps there on the rear. And then look at,
now, I'm not even a fan of mud flaps, but those Autoplex mud flaps, custom, that's sick. You know what I mean? I like that. Now with the perforated metal, seems like that's still gonna let mud and stuff get through. And you trying to, I think the whole purpose of a mud flap was to keep the mud and stuff off those rear panels and bumper. But I mean, you know, to each his own. It still it looks real cool. You know what I'm saying?
Look at this. It looks like it's the same color as the truck. These taillights are
tail
blacked out, and they just look amazing, especially against the GMC badges that are blacked out from GMC on these DENALI Ultimates. And because it's a DENALI Ultimate, you get really the nicest interior on the market.
That interior is laid.
Beautiful leather, the full redesigned screen and new dash. That leather with the topographical map there in the seats as you're looking at right now.
Yeah.
We got a suede headliner in this one.
topographical map. So it actually looks like it's taken from the actual map of the U.S. somewhere.
I mean, it just looks the part. It smells incredible in that cabin with that high quality leather. It drives the part. This 9-inch full throttle suspension, honestly, this truck drives better than stock. And I know some of you guys asked that question. Yeah, but how's the...
I know people don't believe that, but if you ever went from your stock wheels to like a set of aftermarket wheels, most of the aftermarket wheels are wider. Like say I went from like 17s, 18s to 24s. So that 17 to 18 might be about 9 inches wide, but that 24 is going to be a full 10 inches. And man, it makes a difference. The ride was smoother. You're grabbing more surface area, so it gives you a better ride. You actually it's like you grabbing more pave, and which that's true. You got an inch more of tire, so yeah, it's more wheel than tire. So you are actually grabbing more ground, and it actually does give you a better ride. I mean, especially on the new cars. Now, if you're talking about old school when you ain't changed the suspension out, I don't understand that. But I know on these new cars, it gives you a better ride. So I can attest to that.
The ride is amazing. I've been driving it and it's insane how good the quality is. That's because here at Autoplex Customs, we use only the best of parts and the best of companies to work with. And so guys, I hope you love this truck as much as we do. I hope it's in your driveway or garage this weekend because it's live right now on our website, louisvilleautoplex.com. It can be yours. Listen, guys, we love you. Thanks for always being a part right here on YouTube, all of our social media platforms. We love having you be a part of the Autoplex Customs family. Hope you love this truck. We'll see you on the next one.
Like I said, guys, they build them, sell them. No, I don't work for them, but that bill caught my eye, so I just had to talk about it, man. Super clean truck. I would that could stand up against anybody's vehicle, man. That is a clean whip. Now, as far as taking care of all that big black vehicle, I wouldn't care less for that. That's some work. That's some work. You're going to have to hire somebody to know what they're doing to keep that black like in tip-top shape. But if the vehicle is well thought out, well put together. Well, first of all, it's a GMC Denali HD. It's not like it's a Denali Ultimate. So those trucks from the factory are super clean. You ain't got to do nothing to the interior and the outside. So it's mostly just wheels and tint. So, but still overall very clean look. And the wheels can make or break you, but this set it definitely increased the look on it. So yeah, man, thank y'all for tuning in. Like I said, we're gonna be bringing more truck videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Oh, hold on, I'm rushing myself. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel because it makes the channel grow. It's free 99. I can't charge y'all for that. I want you to come on in and be a part of the family. So we're gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace out. All right.